Good morning. A friend of my group, as well as a YouTube subscriber, probably wants to know whether after order of protection for residence to the wife, there are any change of circumstances, whether it could be varied by the same code. Yes, it could be varied by the same code. Probably that should be a section 23, wherein it has stated that when the circumstances are changed, you can file an application for vary or revoke the order, or else you can file appeal before the district court. Kindly go through that and thereafter contact. And another case law about family court judgment is there, that is pertaining to AR 2020 Partner 93 Joji Sinalis Susaina versus Samir Kumar Arvind Kumar. Article 227 Order 9 Rule 13 Section 19. Since there was a provision for appeal, this Order 9 Rule 13 is not applicable, and that application was returned. That was rejected by the law family court. Therefore, 227 superintendent power CRP was filed. That was dismissed by the honorable. For the ratio was that section 19(1) of the Family Courts Act says, save otherwise, subsection 2, notwithstanding anything contained in the Code of Civil Procedure, any other an appeal shall lie from any judgment or order not being an interlocutory order of a family court to the High Court on both facts and on law. In the instant case, there is no dispute if an order impugned is not an interlocutory order. There is also no dispute that same was not passed by the court below with the consent of the parties. In view of the matter, objection raised by the Land Council regarding maintainability of the present application is well founded, as subsection 1 of Family Code, section 19 CPC, provide for the forum of appeal against any order or not being interlocutory. Therefore, if you have to file appeal against the family court order, that is nothing to do with the protection order. Then another judgment I would like to discuss with you about the same Service Commission irregular procedures. There, herein, the Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission was very alert. Earlier, we have discussed about the Service Commission, wherein the Service Commission Authority the chairman arbitrarily issued a circular by appointing a 4 years waiting list candidate. But here, the Andhra Pradesh Public Service Commission members are, and that commission was very alert. AR 2020 Supreme Court 1733 Andhra Pradesh Service Commission versus Kota Lingeshwar Rao. Article 320 Service Commission Procedure Rules 6 and 7 were discussed. The case where that there was a written test and oral test for the post of junior lecturer in mathematics. The results were published on 3/12/2011. The respondent belonging to open category secured 380.50 marks, whereas one G.V. Ramakrishna Sagar, the last selected candidate OC, secured 393 marks. Consequently, Ramakrishna was declared selected. The selection was finalized and same was sent to unit officers. Ramakrishnan not joined. Therefore, after waiting for 4 years, filed original application for AP for vacancy uh, because he is the next candidate for selection. This application was dismissed for delay and laches. Then they went to High Court. High Court uh, considered him to consider his post. That was extensive law of equity was granted. Then the matter went to Supreme Court. The Rule 6 of the APPSC rules was amended on 22/2/1997. They say that they should be remain in force. The recruitment shall remain in force for a period of 1 year from the date of which selection is published. That was the rule. That was amended. They say the list of candidates approved selected shall be equal to the number of vacancies only, including those for reserved communities. The fallout vacancies, if any due release non-joining select, shall be notified in the next recruitment. Therefore, then again section Rule 7 was there. Rule 7 confuses with Rule 6 as well as Rule 6 after amendment. It says the Commission shall thereupon remove name of such candidate from the selection list if he is not joining such. It has to be informed to him. Therefore, by considering that Rule 7 was deleted. In view of specific mandate of the amended Rule 6 of the AP rule, in our considered opinion, High Court was not justified in granting relief in favor of the respondent. Ignoring amendment rule, both Rule 6 and 7 have to be read harmoniously. Rule 7 will subserve the intention of amended Rule 6 of the rule, since it specifically mentioned that selection of new candidate after relinquishment by another candidate shall be done in accordance with rules, which would mean the rule in force at the time. Furthermore, it was brought to notice the Commission deleted Rule 7. That was the important provisions. So the Service Commission members are actively intelligent, curious, alert, and they want to always implement the constitution rules. The Article 3(9) empowers to frame rules or selection, promotion, and other avenues for government service. That rules is called as constitutional rule or statutory rules, because there may be any statute. If suppose some act, Domestic Violence Act is a statute, it's an act, but there are some rule making provisions. There may be rules also, but the rules should be implemented within the act. But here Article 309, they empowers the state and union government to frame laws to regulate the service of the government servant, but there may not be any statute. So that rule, only rules, governing rules, CCS rules, Recruitment Service Commission rules, all these rules are called statutory rules. Therefore, kindly go through this. So we have discussed about 3 judgments. So domestic violence case, I will discuss specifically because I did not refer any book to answer, but for time being, my answer to that aspiring candidate was that you can file an application under section 23 subclass 2 to set aside the order on change of circumstances. I am sorry, yesterday I could not telecast it because death near my house, that disturbed my schedule of timing, taking bath, a lot of things, so I could not do that in the halfway. Therefore, kindly excuse me for that, those who are expecting the early morning for my telecast. And another aspect is, let us hope from October 4, one day, after first Monday, the courts will normally function subject to again some restrictions. Good morning.